sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
What's your name? What do you drive?
I drive the 2012 Nissan Maxima.
Damn, where are you from?
I'm from Santa Paula, California.
Okay. You guys can tell I'm over at Blackout Escape. You guys check out the website, blackoutescape.com. You guys, we're opening on Sunday. By the time you guys watch this video, we're already open. You guys come, if you guys are local, come check it out. I'm really proud of this. We came by real quick. I want to check out his car.
Sleeping on the couch, just trying to get it how I live. I got a few dollars on me, man, I gotta get on my shit. Selling weed to my boys to get a lease on a Porsche. All these rappers know the underground and I hold the torch. Don't play with my...
What you guys don't know was I was just telling him that my family was a Maxima family for the longest time. I think in total as a family we've owned probably 5 or 6 Maximas. From the what year were those? For the box ones?
I'm not sure how.
They're old, probably like the 90s.
90s, yeah.
Like they're the big boxy one.
Like in 2000s, that's when they started coming out with a little bit
softer,
more rounder,
yeah.
Softer body.
And what you guys don't know is I drove an Altima for a very long time. I just never talked about it. But for like over a year, year and a half, I drove an Altima.
What year though?
I don't remember. It's the rounder ones. The ones that you see a lot, but they're always like broken down now. And what you guys don't know is I drove a Prius for a long time.
No
Dude, I used to smash that Prius so hard. I used to, and then, in the Altima, what I used to do at U-turns, I used to pull the e-brake.
How did that go?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah?
It was good.
No way.
Cool. What is this thing right here?
That's a strobe light.
Strobe light?
I used to work in construction before.
Okay.
So just out of, I guess, my protection, I would always leave it on the side of the road because there might not be some parkings.
Yeah.
So whenever I would have to pull for emergencies, I would turn it on just so people could be aware that I'm right there.
Okay.
It's a little build on a budget, but little by little I want to start doing some more things. I do want to get an airbag a little bit later on.
Yeah.
You just never know when you need airbag.
For real.
It's always that adjustment of either you want to go up, you want to go down.
Yeah. What mods?
What mods? Right now, I mean, it's all budget. Tuner crate mods, the tag your tires.
I love it.
If you guys don't have them, I recommend them. They're pretty good. I had my last set that almost lasted a year and a half to about 2 years.
Damn.
Yeah, so I do recommend them. Just basic outside tint. And then just I painted the wheels myself. Just little things like that.
That's cool.
On a budget.
That's good, man. How old are you?
I am 22.
Asking about how it feels to vlog in public, and so I tell this story once in a while, but I'm actually shy. But it's hard to believe. Yeah, no,
you don't seem shy.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
If you ask anyone that have known me for a long time, they know that I'm the quiet guy at parties. And if I go to a party, I'll be the quiet guy, and I'll be the guy with a hat on, like with a really low, sitting in the corner, maybe drinking, maybe. It
doesn't seem like
see,
that,
but so what I did was over time I said I don't want to be shy anymore, so I started forcing myself to talk to people.
Seeking discomfort, huh?
Right, yeah, and then the same thing with the camera. Like I've always loved the camera, but never to be on it. I love filming stuff.
Okay.
So like even my high school stuff, when my friends we used to do skits together before YouTube. This is way before YouTube.
Yeah, way before.
Just like tapes.
Okay.
I would be directing and filming, and my friends would be acting.
Because you didn't want to be on
I hated the camera. But over time, I was like, I need to change this. And then I saw YouTube and I really loved it. And I found like a reason to be on camera. And then if you watch my old videos, I was super awkward. I was super awkward.
But it looks so fine when you used to do like the car videos and stuff.
Awkward.
It didn't seem like that.
I probably filmed it like 6-7 times, and then finally was
nobody
like,
knows that.
Yeah, I know. And then now it's kind of normal, but I still am shy picking up my camera in front of people. Like when I'm at an airport, like a lot of YouTubers would like vlog at airports. Like I can't do it, dude. I feel so awkward. And you know what it is? I think people think that I think I'm the shit because I'm filming like, yo guys, what's up? Like, I'm like, but I'm not like that.
And whatnot.
Yeah, I'm not like that. And I don't want people to think that.
Yeah.
And I feel kind of stupid, so. But no, now it's normal. It's more normal.
Well, and now since YouTube has gotten so big, I guess people are used to that.
Yeah.
People are used to seeing people having a camera in front of their face and vlogging.
Yeah, because
Cool now too.
now when I do carry the camera, people are like, "Oh, you got a YouTube channel? What is it?" Or, "Hey, shout me out." Even if they don't know who I am, they just see a big ass camera. Because right now I'm filming with a Sony A7S II with a big fluffy mic on top. You know, it's a pretty big.
Gives it a look.
Yeah, so people are like,
Gives it a
"Oh, what do you
similar-
do? Like, you do videos?" And they're like, "Oh, shout me out, shout me out." They don't even know me, but you know, it's normal.
Yeah.
But when I first started, not normal. People were like, "What are you? Why are you talking to yourself?" Yeah, it was bad.
That's crazy.
Why do you? Are you shy on camera?
I mean, I've never been on camera or vlog if you were to put it up. So
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I feel regular, but I mean.
Yeah, I mean, you're
Yeah.
right. Like, out of a lot of people I vlog with, like especially like random people,
Yeah.
like you're actually fairly natural,
That's-
really nice.
Yeah, well, from the outside that's what it seems like, but from the inside it's just like, take it easy.
Inside, he's like, "What the fuck?
is going
What do I
on?
do with my hands?"
What do I do?
What do I
Like
do?
Ricky Bobby?
I mean, exactly. He's like,
Yeah.
"Put your hands down, bro. Put your hands down." That's good.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't even going to come here. Honestly, when I saw Tuner Crate that was closed, I was like, maybe what am I doing here? Maybe I should just go home. But, I mean, I was like, just like how you seek discomfort, I was like, let's just seek discomfort.
Yeah.
And this is where I'm at.
You know what? One thing for advice for you guys is seeking discomfort is good to grow, and saying yes more than you say no.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, like friends will ask you to go out, or you want to try this, or you want to do it within the law, within legal limits, within, you know, like safety. Saying yes. Now, I used to have a buddy that used to challenge to say yes because he would say no to me all the time. It's like, dude, like, why not go up and talk to that girl?
Yeah,
Why not?
why
Like,
not?
the worst thing, she's gonna say no, and what is she gonna tease you about it? Fuck it, you're not gonna see her again.
Exactly.
But the more girls you hit up, the higher the chance of you getting a friend. You know what I'm saying? So,
A friend,
right?
sure.
So I would be the wingman saying, hey, always just say yes to me, dude. I'm never gonna put you in a bad situation.
Yeah.
So saying yes and putting yourself in discomfort, which is the same thing, is good. It's good
Yeah,
for life.
it is good.
You know? So this is good, man. I'm glad you came.
Yeah, I'm
glad
pretty
you
glad too. And I'm glad that I got to meet you because you are a pretty cool guy.
Thank you, thank
That's
you.
what some people don't understand until you actually meet the person. That's how you know
Yeah.
exactly who they are.
Well, some YouTubers, it gets to their head, you know? Like,
Yeah,
some people are
yeah.
like, oh, I'm a YouTuber now. I don't spend time, you know? Like, and I get it. Like, sometimes I'm super busy, but
Yeah.
like, if I can give you at least 2 minutes, it's better than giving you no minutes.
Yeah.
You know, like 10 seconds here, 10 seconds there.
Dick on burst. 666 forever, bit my lonely soul is cursed. And I'm only getting money, swerving Porsches on the road. Bitches are twisted, deep breaking, I'm tearing. I love when the bitch are annoying, I'm kicking you clearly, I'm faking you people.
I used to do construction for inside remodeling. It could be vinyl flooring, cabinets, but I recently gotten out and I just came to my training here in Ontario for a Tesla solar company. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna start. And I'm pretty stoked about it, so we'll see how it goes.
Dream car. What's a dream car?
Dream car? I would say the Supra. Yeah, Supra. I'm not really into like the new type of cars. I do like them. I don't think that they're bad, but I like to be in that old school type of Toyota Supra, that nice engine sound and all that good stuff that you get with older cars.
It reminds me of the Maximas back in the day. It has this strong low end that's consistent through the pool.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a good thing. It like reminds me of the Maximas when I grew up and the Altima I drove. Altima's a lighter.
Yeah,
But they're-
Altimas are lighter. Yes.
So the one I had, was this a V6?
This is a V6.
Yeah, so I had a
3.5.
V6 Ultima, and that thing it pulled hard. I think it was a 6. I'm almost positive. That thing pulled hard, but it was lighter than you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine's a little heavier, you know.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah. What is that? Ooh, low life. Damn, that's nice.
Yeah.
Baller. Oh look, escape room sign.
Alright,
Pulls hard too. Huh? Pulls hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to take it?
This right here, this towards that.
Bullet 805-911.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah,
Alright,
man, appreciate it. Nice to meet you guys, and
I'll see.
pretty sure the escape room is gonna be a success.
Thank you. I'll see you.
Have a good one, guys.
Hello, baby girl. Hello. As you guys can see, it's a lot darker than usual. Is because we've blacked out a lot of the windows. The final preparations for the space.